5 best call recording app for iPhone. Let's get started. Recording phone calls on an iPhone can be essential for various reasons, such as preventing important conversations or conducting interviews. Due to Apple's privacy policies, direct call recording is not natively supported on iPhones. However, several third-party apps offer reliable solutions. Here are 5 best call recording apps for iPhone. Rev Call Recorder, a free app that allows unlimited recording of incoming and outgoing calls. It offers high quality recordings and an option to transcribe calls at an additional cost. Note this app requires a US phone number. Tape a Call Pro. This app enables users to record both incoming and outgoing calls with no limits on duration. Recordings can be easily shared via cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. It offers a 7-day free trial, after which a subscription is required. Automatic Call Recorder. This app offers seamless recording of incoming and outgoing calls with an easy-to-use interface. It supports cloud storage integration and allows users to edit recorded audio files. Transcription services are also available within the app. Call Recorder for iPhone, an app that provides a user-friendly interface to record calls. It supports sharing recordings via email, SMS, and cloud storage services. The app offers a free trial period with subscription options available for continuous use. Call Recorder iCall, a straightforward app that simplifies the call recording process. Users can record both incoming and outgoing calls and access their recordings easily. The app offers a subscription-based model with a free trial period. By selecting the app that best fits your needs and adhering to legal requirements, you can effectively record calls on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.